Yummy.
Look, it's a pizza maker. But we have a friend here. He's my cousin.
Wow, just
And his name is Steven. Say hi.
Hi, we're making pizza with pepperoni, making cheese, pizza, tomato sauce, and cup of water.
That's right. So he's gonna pass me the things. Steven, can you please pass me the pepperoni?
Store the patty.
This is the pepperoni. We need pepperoni. Steven, can you please pass me the mozzarella cheese?
Patty.
We're gonna need mozzarella cheese.
Take a time.
This is a pizza. This is a tomato sauce for pizza. That's what we're gonna need. Can you please pass me the 1/3 cup of warm water?
Don't drink it.
This is a 1/3 cup with warm water. We're gonna need that. And can you please pass me the pouch of dough? Here is the pouch. This is the pouch of pizza dough. We're gonna need that for sure. We'll be right back. Okay, guys. We baked the dough. Now it's time to put the little toppings. First, let's do the sauce. We have to put it on the pizza and then we're gonna spread it out with a spoon.
Yummy.
That's it. So now let's do the cheese. Cheesy, cheesy, cheesies. Cheese, 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 cheese. Awesome. Cheese. That's it. So, my favorite part, dot, 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 dot. Oh, double dot. Dot. One more. So, look at my pizza.
Great.
It's so delicious. But we have to put it in the oven for 20 minutes. But you have to ask your uncle or auntie or mommy or daddy or your grandma or grandpa, anybody, to put this in the oven. First, you have to put it here. And then when your mom and dad comes out, and then when your mom and dad comes out, you have to put it on the top shelf of the oven. Okay? Now time to clean up. Okay. First we put these in the trash. And then we take this and then wipe it all up. Wipe it all up. Wipe it. Wipe it. Wipe it all up. Wipe it all up. Okay, then put the paper away. And then, bye guys. Okay, look at my pizza. Let's see if it's delicious. because it looks so good.
Let's see. What? I'm taking a pizza. Better than pizza for you. And better than pizza for you, finally.
It tastes so good. Now it's your turn to try it.
Out.